The IEBC wishes to update the public on the status of the delimitation process for constituencies and wards. Following a mandated timeline, which is outlined in Article 88(4)(c) and Article 89 of the Constitution of Kenya, the Commission acknowledges the delays in our second boundary review. You know, after the enactment of the Constitution, we did the first boundary review, and we were due to undertake the second boundary review. And this second boundary review was due by 6th March 2024. So, unfortunately, there has been a delay, which has been occasioned by the absence of the substantive commission. But now that the commission has been duly constituted, we would like to inform the country on the way forward on this matter of the Constitution. So, as I've mentioned to you, the second boundary review was supposed to have been concluded by concluded by 6th March 2024, which is this year, and those timelines have expired. But so while this process was being considered by the Commission Secretariat in the absence of the full Commission, some necessary steps were undertaken in order to address this matter in the light of the fact that the constitutional timelines were expiring or approaching to expire very fast. So what the Commission Secretariat did was to seek legal advice from the Office of the Attorney General. As you all know, the Attorney General is the principal legal advisor to the government, and therefore institutions such as IEBC, whenever faced with such a challenge, would essentially approach that office for legal guidance. And in our request for legal advisory, we requested that we be given advice on whether the Commission could proceed to conduct the boundaries delimitation despite the lapse of the constitutional timelines. We also sought advice on whether the lapse timelines could be extended, if yes or no. So this is an advice that we are yet to receive. In fact, let me just correct it. Based on that request, the Office of the Attorney General requested that the Secretariat that time should seek legal interpretation and advice from the Supreme Court. So this matter was filed at the Supreme Court, and we are waiting for the Supreme Court to determine and to give us the legal advisory in this particular matter. And once we receive that legal advisory, we will work with other stakeholders, because it's an issue that requires consultation with various stakeholders, including Parliament, the political parties, and of course the citizens of Kenya, to see what is the best way possible to proceed with this matter once we get that legal guidance. And of course, any steps that we will take will be guided by that legal advisory, which we expect to receive any time going forward.